To add notes and areas of interest about a prospective client, from your dashboard, click on Contacts. Click on Add New Contact and type in your prospect's name and email address. Then click on the Notes section. This is an expandable area where you can type a lot of information about your prospect. Once this is complete, click on Add Areas of Interest. These are optional fields that include species, trip year, trip type, and season. You can select one or more options from the drop-down menus. When you're finished, click Save and save the information to the contact record. You can view this information by clicking on Contacts, retrieving the customer record, and the information will be presented at the bottom of the screen.